Good morning, students. I am Dr. A.K.Jaithunbi, Associate Professor from the Computer Science and Engineering Department, RMDEC. Today, let us see modes of ethical hacking. Right? So, generally, you all know what is ethical hacking, right? So, ethical hacking has evolved as an effective way for companies to test their network security and determine if they are vulnerable to attacks by malicious hackers. Right? Now let us see what are the various modes. Already we have seen the importance and key concepts of ethical hacking, that is scanning, enumeration and exploitation. Now, what are the different types or modes of ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is a complex process that involves a combination of skills, techniques and methods to test the security of an organization's computer systems. There are several types of hacking in cybersecurity practices. First one is your black box testing. So what is black box? The hacker does not have any prior knowledge of the test system and is testing the software from outside the system before entering it via a brute force approach. For example, a black box testing can be used to check a user's login, view their account information, change their password and log out. Second one is white box testing. Here, the hacker knows everything about the system, how it works and its weaknesses before he tries to break in the system. Some of the common examples are designing reviews, code inspection, data flow analysis, and statement coverage. Third one is a gray box testing. This is a mix between white box and black box. The tester has some knowledge about the system, but not all of it. So they need to use deductive reasoning skills and their technical knowledge to find vulnerabilities within the network that is being tested. Here in gray box testing, it includes usability test, performance test and security test. Next is your web application hacking. Here, it is a type of process of exploiting security vulnerabilities or weakness in web-based application. Right? One of the example is cross-site scripting, which involves injecting malicious code into a website's HTML. The fifth one is hacking wireless networks. Here, it is a hacking type that involves accessing a computer network without authorization, typically by exploiting weak points in the system security. An excellent example of this is the practice of war driving, where an attacker drives around with a laptop or other device capable of picking up wireless signals looking for unprotected or poorly protected networks. Sixth one is social engineering. Here, it aims to pursue people to reveal their confidential information. The attacker deceives people because they trust them and lack knowledge. Right? So, either through mobile phone or through some other ways, they try to get the user's detail. The seventh one is our system hacking. Here, system hacking is the sacrifice of computer software to access the target computer to steal their sensitive data. The hacker takes advantage of the weakness in a computer system to get the information and data and takes unfair advantage. System hacking aims to gain access, escalate privileges, and hide files. Eighth one is web server hacking. Here, the web content is generated as a software application on the server side in real time. This allows the hackers to attack the web server to steal private information, data passwords, and business information by using denial of service attacks, port scans, SIM floods, sniffing. Hackers hack web servers to gain financial gain from theft, sabotage, blackmail, extortion, etc. Now, who is a hacker? A hacker is a person who solves a technical issue by using a computer, networking, or even other abilities. Anyone who uses their skills to gain access to a system or network in application to break laws is referred to as a hacker. So we have three types: white hat hackers, black hat hackers, and gray hat hackers. Now let us see the importance of ethical hacking. So it is the very main importance of ethical hacking is in testing password strength, ensuring security settings and privilege levels in the domain account and database administration by testing out exploits. Penetration testing after every software update, upgrade, or after adding a new security patch, ensuring that data communication channels cannot be intercepted. Testing validity of authentication protocols, ensuring security features in applications which protect organization and user database. Defense against DOS attacks, network security and testing of anti-intrusion features. Roles and responsibilities of an ethical hacker. Let us talk about the certified ethical hacker's responsibilities. Meeting with your client to go through the security system currently put in place, right? Verifying the organization systems, network topology, and vulnerable entry points. Performing penetration testing on the system. Identifying and documenting security flaws and vulnerabilities. Testing the level of security in the network. Finding out the best security solutions. Creating penetration test reports. Performance penetration testing after the implementation of suggested or new security features. Finding out alternatives to security features which are not working. As days goes on, as technology is changing every day, right? So security is a major concern. Thank you, students.